Watch today's fascinating video to witness the mesmerizing transformation of a simple fabric into a stylish, ready-to-wear t-shirt, hoodie, or any garment of your choice. Discover the intricate craftsmanship and innovative processes that bring fashion to life, from raw material to the final, fashionable product. It's a captivating journey from fabric to fashion. Pattern making and cutting. Imagine making clothes is like drawing a picture, but with fabric. First, people make special drawings called patterns to know how to cut the fabric. Then, they carefully cut the fabric like cutting out paper dolls. These fabric pieces are like puzzle pieces that fit together perfectly to make the cool clothes you wear. It's like making art with cloth. Stitching operations. After cutting out the fabric pieces, it's time to stitch them together. Skilled hands use a sewing machine or needle and thread to join all the parts, making sure everything fits just right. This stitching step brings the t-shirt to life, creating the seams and hems that hold it together. It's like putting together a puzzle, but with thread and fabric, to make your comfy and stylish t-shirt. Quality inspection procedure. Once the t-shirt is stitched together, it goes through a careful quality check. People look closely to make sure there are no mistakes, like loose threads or uneven seams. They also check to see if the size and design are just perfect. This inspection ensures that the t-shirt you get is of the best quality and ready to wear with confidence. Packing. In the final step, the freshly made t-shirt is carefully packed to keep it clean and safe until it reaches you. It's like putting it in a special bag or box to make sure it stays nice and neat. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends if you want to see more exciting videos like this in the future. Your support helps us bring you more behind-the-scenes glimpses of how your favorite things are made. Thanks for watching and being a part of our community.